Hands-on English, an English language development program created by teachers for teachers.
Hi, my name is Pablo Fernandez. I've been teaching for 21 years in Santa Ana, California. I myself was a newcomer back in the day. I came from Argentina. Some things that I really like about this program is that it's catered to newcomers and very early beginning English learners, that the subject matter is really engaging. Animals and science, social studies. They get to have time and practice talking in the classroom with different routines and activities that are consistent throughout the chapter. The important thing is that they're talking to each other, and then the really nice component that I like is that the talking and the speaking gets tied in with the writing, which is often overlooked in a lot of ELD programs. Keeping their interest throughout the whole unit, throughout the chapter, is not really going to be a challenge, because every time you're doing something new with a song or a big book or a chant or an activity, they had a nice experience doing the capstone project and kind of accumulating all their vocabulary and all their phrases that we've been practicing into just one little ending project. I really like the program. I've enjoyed teaching it, and I think it would be successful for any newcomer, any beginner. The teacher has plenty of support and all the material. She should have a great year teaching ELD to the newcomers.
To learn more about the Hands-on English program for kindergarten and first grade newcomers and beginners, go to the website or call us at 800-321-4332.